Functions. It is a piece of code written to carry out a specified task. This is an example of a function. A function may or may not need multiple inputs. It may or may not return some values. For returning a values, we use the return keyword, and to take the inputs, we use the parameters. Over here, a list is being passed as a parameter which is being stored in nums. The def keyword is used to define a function. Now Python has a large variety of inbuilt functions. A user can also define their own functions, and these functions can be of two types. The named function, as we can see right now, add function over here, it is a named function, or lambda functions. A method, on the other hand, refers to a function which is a part of the class, and you can access that method with the object of the class. A normal function or a simple function does not require this restriction. Now, this function over here is taking a list of numbers as the input, and that input is being stored in the parameter which is inside the round brackets. Now, this function is initializing a total which is equal to 0, iterating over the list and adding all the values. Finally, it is returning the total. This value returned over here will come over here. Since the sum of all these values will be 10, it is inside the print function. When we execute this, the output will be 10. This is how normal functions work. Now let's talk about lambda functions. While normal functions are defined using the def keyword, anonymous function or lambda functions are defined using the lambda keyword. Lambda functions are mostly used with higher order functions, that is, the functions which accept other functions as arguments. Some applications of lambda functions are very widely used in coding questions. The general format of declaring a lambda function is this, where the lambda arguments : expression is given. These lambda functions can have any number of arguments but only one expression. The expression is evaluated and returned. Lambda functions can be used wherever function objects are required. So if we write lambda x : x multiplied by x, this is a single argument lambda function. It will return the square of the argument. If we write lambda x, y : x plus y, this has taken multiple arguments, but the expression is still single. So it is taking two arguments and it is returning the sum of the arguments. This is how you can use lambda functions.